Hello, little friends! Today we're going to play a fun game called Guess the Animal by Sound. Let's start!
What's that sound? Is it a dog, a cat, or a cow? Yay! It's a cow! Great job! What's that sound? Is it a monkey, a dog, or a lion? Yes, that's a dog! Well done! What's that sound? Is it a sheep, a cat, or an elephant? Correct! It's a cat! Awesome! Who makes that sound? Is it a duck, a lion, or a horse? You got it! Lion! Roarsome! Which animal is that? Is it a frog, an elephant, or a monkey? Yes, it's an elephant. Great listening. Who makes this sound? Is it a pig, a monkey, or a chicken? Yay! Monkey! Fantastic! Who makes this sound? Is it a bee, a horse, or a frog? Correct! Horse! Well done! What's that sound? Is it an owl, a sheep, or a snake? Correct! It's a sheep! Who says that? Is it a goat, a bird, or a duck? Yes, it's a duck! Awesome! Who makes this sound? Is it a dog, a frog, or a cat? Yay! Frog! Fantastic! What's that sound? Is it a cow, a pig, or a horse? Correct! Pig! Awesome job! Who says that? Is it a bird, a chicken, or a snake? Yes, bird. Great listening. Who makes this sound? Is it a goat, a chicken, or an owl? Yes, chicken. Well done. Who says this? Is it a snake, a lion, or a frog? Yay! Snake! Fantastic! Who makes this sound? Is it a dog, a bee, or a monkey? Correct! Bee. Great listening. Who makes this sound? Is it an elephant, a horse, or an owl? Yes, owl. Awesome. Who makes this sound? Is it a sheep, a tiger, or a monkey? Correct! Tiger. Roar some. Who says that? Is it a cat, a donkey, or a tiger? Yay! Donkey! Fantastic! Who says this? Is it a duck, a goat, or a frog? Yes, goat. Well done. Who makes this sound? Is it a dog, a whale, or a chicken? Yay! Whale! Fantastic job!